In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this mod menu. You can able to use cheats. Download this mod. Once download done, right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and copy these two files. And then right click on the game and select open file location. Paste the two files inside of a game folder. Once done, start the game. Once you are in game, press the B key to open up this mod menu. These are the ship cheats. No cannot cooldown, ship guard mode. And for player cheats, go to player tab. You can turn on the cheats for player. Go to no clip. I show you guys the cheats are working. Enable no clip. Disable this no clip. As you can see, cheats are working. To close this menu, press the B key. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.